Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about OrganiGram and Aphria and Medmen. You know, my thoughts on Aphria's earnings. There's the OrganiGram. There's some big Medmen seems kind of desperate. Australia's had some interesting big news. But anyway, so let's start with Aphria. Aphria generated $18 million of cannabis sales in Q3, and then they had a total of $74 million. Totally what I did not expected, but then their gross profit took a huge hit. Their gross profit was 18%. They made $13.4 million of gross profit compared to $10.2 million. So they basically made $3.2 million more in gross profits. This is the reason why, is because of their new business, their distribution business, which operates on a lower gross margin than our cannabis business. I don't understand the reasoning behind why they have a business that they acquired a business that generated only basically revenue and no gross profit. Apparently investors didn't like that, so their stock sold off. And then they blamed the reason why the cannabis sale was down is because they packaging and distribution. And then on top of that, they changed up their cultivation style or something. But I also heard that they had a bunch of plants got destroyed because of problems, but I could be wrong. They never said. Of course, they're not gonna indicate it in here. Hold on. There was something in here that I wanted to talk about. Yes, their current annualized production capacity is 115,000 kilograms right now, so that's quite a bit of product they can grow. But maybe it will improve next quarter. Maybe the earnings will improve next quarter. But right now it seems kind of bad because $13.4 million of gross margin is not that great. But hey, who cares? Whatever. They generated a lot of revenue, right? But shareholders disagree, and the stock is down $1.35 in the pre-market. Oh, it went up a little bit, so it's down it's down $1.23, down 12.18%. So shareholders disagree, and there's the reason why the shares dropped. But it didn't drop the entire market. The entire market did not rally down. Right now it's 6:53. I'm making this video a little early, so this is like pre-market kind of video. OrganiGram, they announced decent earnings, but I have tried OrganiGram and Aphria product. I do not own any shares in Aphria. I do not own any shares in OrganiGram, but OrganiGram did net revenue of $27 million. I have tried OrganiGram's product. I have friends who tried OrganiGram products, and we think they kind of have bad product. I'm not a fan of OrganiGram products. I do not. I have the product, and I don't even smoke it. It's just been sitting there and just rotting away. My friend literally just threw his product in the garbage. He smoked it. After that, he threw it right into the garbage, so he just kind of wasted $15 because Nova had a sale on for like 50% off on OrganiGram product, so we bought it for like dirt cheap prices. But it's horrible. OrganiGram has, in general, OrganiGram's products is bad. I don't like it personally. That's just me though. But there are people out there that might like it. All people out there that like cheap weed and will buy it regardless because it's cheap weed. So the pre-rolls also suck really bad too. So that's just my opinion. OrganiGram, I don't know if it's like, I was shocked to see OrganiGram only traded on the Toronto Stock Exchange Venture. I thought it was at least on the Toronto Stock Exchange, not the Venture, but hey, whatever. The company right now is worth $1.4 billion. I don't know if the pre-market is down or up because I don't have access to it, but they had decent earnings, so maybe it'll go up, who knows. Australia's had some interesting news today. Australia's is pleased to announce that it has been approved for DTC eligible for common shares trading on the OTCQB under AUSAF. So what is DC eligible? DC eligible is, is something that major exchanges like New York Stock and NASDAQ require DC eligible. Other platforms like OTC, Bowling Pub, Pink Sheets do not. So it's like a kind of, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe you guys want to explain to me what DC eligible means, really, because it says means public securities are able to deposit through DTC. What does that mean? DCC is the largest security deposit in the world that holds over $35 trillion worth security on deposit. DC accepts, deposit in securities from its participation only, who are usually unclearing firms. Most brokers in-house in stock or hire a clear form to do so on their behalf. I don't understand it. I did my, I went to the website, I looked at it, I don't understand it. Like, if you guys want to explain it to me, I would be grateful, because I don't understand what this means. And then Medmen pre-announced their earnings. I don't know why, but they did. Seems like an act of desperation to get their stock to go up. They announced, $36.6 million. Of course, they're not going to announce the net revenue, because, they're not going to be like, oh, we lost another $50 million. No, they're not going to do that. Absolutely not. They're just going to show revenue numbers, trying to get investors to come back and buy this stock. Will this work? I have no idea. But, it seems to me like an act of desperation by releasing their earnings early, or at least their revenue numbers early. If they had balls, they would tell their net revenue too. But of course not. Of course not. They just want to promote the stock. CGC, Canopy Growth Corporation did not drop like I thought it would. It's only down 31 cents pre-market, but we'll see when the actual market opens. Aurora, same thing, only down 7 cents. Both Canopy and Aurora didn't have any news today. Disney dropped 61 cents. It's my new investment. Oh, I guess it's only dropped 31 cents now. So, yeah, I guess not too bad. The market is down today. Well, in the morning, it's kind of like down a little bit. But, it's pre-market. The market is down. I came across an interesting article. Donald Trump, the stock market should be as high as 10,000 points higher. And he blames if the Fed had done its job properly, which it has not, the stock market would have been up 5,000 to 10,000 additional points, and the GDP would be well over 4% instead of 3% with almost no inflation. Quantitative tightening was a killer, and we should have done the exact opposite. Do you guys agree or disagree with Donald Trump's statement? Please comment down below. I would love to hear you guys' thoughts on this article. But anyways, wow, 9 minutes and 18 seconds. I don't know what else to talk about. Let's look at other players like Kron. Let's see if Kron is down. Kron is down 19 cents. Aphria's, let's see. I think Aphria is really volatile right now. How about Tilray? Let's look at Tilray. Tilray down. Yeah, down. Like I predicted. Tilray is down to $1.41, 2.66% in pre-market. You know, that doesn't mean anything. It could just easily reverse itself and, you know, be up when the actual market closed. But right now the entire cannabis market looks kind of like it's in the red. What other company that's on the New York Stock Exchange that I can look at? Can't think of one. Maybe, no, Aphria, Aurora, Canopy. Cannabis. Ah, there you go. CTST stock. Up 8 cents in the pre-markets. Why is it up 8 cents? I have no idea. Let's see, Cannabis. Oh, Village Farms, VFF. VFF. No, does that work? No, Nasdaq. Oh. Doesn't tell me if it's up or down in pre-markets. Oh well. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Subscribe for future updates. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And have a great day. Bye.